WENDIY. This channel is to give you some hints on how to improve your home to make it work better. Let's see what the fumes are like first.
They're very, very fumey now.
So what walls have you done now?
I've done this wall, and the roof.
Great. Yeah, it's pretty fumey in here still, but it's not cloudy.
Yes, yeah, much better.
So how long do you think a break you've had?
No,
It'd be like
Half an hour break?
Half an hour, yeah.
Yeah, just to clear the room because there's not much ventilation. Louis going in to see how it is. Cool. So all the walls are done now, aren't they?
Pretty much. Yeah, I just want to touch it up. And
You want to touch it up? Yeah.
Anything.
It's really brought the grain up. Wow. Before and after. Just getting a bit of excess off the ceiling.
I found that the spray actually made the thing a lot easier. We've been in there for probably 2 days trying to just varnish those walls, so it's a lot quicker.
Yeah,
Should I
the
look at
suit's very oily, so I'd have to get another suit. It's the cleanup.
Get as much oil off the exterior as I can. Just doing it so you don't get oil all over your hands whenever you touch it.
Maybe you should take the nozzle off and clean that separately. The walls are finished. This is what it looked like before the oiling. The wood's quite pale and dry. And this is after the oiling. You can see that colour of the grain has really come out. And this oil will preserve the wood for many years to come. It won't have to be painted or treated again. There's that dry piece of wood and against the tung oil wall. I'm pretty happy. WENDIY.